This feels so nice.
I like these little chrome things you put on here.
Your seats are really nice too.
Hi everyone, I'm hanging out here today with Bryan from Kies Motorsports.
Yep.
And we're doing a couple of things to the car, but he's gonna take my car for a spin and let's hear what he has to say. One thing to note is, I don't know if he's ever seen this before, but have you ever seen this thing?
This is amazing.
Yeah, this is a manual transmission.
Why are there 3 pedals?
The third one is when you what is, I don't even know.
Is that like an e-brake?
Yeah,
there's one here though.
For drive-throughs. That's for yeah, it's an e-brake for drive-throughs. So you can pick up your tray with both hands.
Awesome.
Yeah, let's take it for a spin.
I've never driven an F80 M3 before.
Wow.
As crazy as that sounds, because we work on them all the time. I've never actually driven one.
And what sucks about this one is I flashed it back to stock tunes. Unfortunately, it's on stock power, but still should be somewhat fun.
You're still faster than mine, though.
I don't think so, man. All-wheel drive, have no traction. Watch, he's gonna be spinning, spinning the tires.
In eco mode.
Yeah, and you're in Sport Plus now.
Oh man.
You should get some burbles.
And your head-up display works. I have head-up display, but it doesn't work.
If you put, you know what? Do this actually. Check this out. Better?
What?
Yeah.
That's so cool. I should have bought an M3.
No. You have a fast car.
Your clutch is so light.
You probably want to take it at a
So
very
light.
steep angle, because I got like 2 inches of ground clearance.
All right.
Don't be afraid to gun it. These cars are made to be gunned.
I have to get used to it first. This is so exciting. Except, you know what's not exciting about this? Is I'm gonna go back to my house and I'm gonna go to my wife and I'm gonna say, hey babe, what do you think about us getting an F80?
You put in so much money and sweat into your car, come on. No.
I'm
And you have something unique. I've got a car that, you know, hundreds and thousands of people have, or maybe tens of thousands. We've got a unique one.
Oh man. Dang you, Tommy L Garage. Now I need to buy an M3.
So rev matching is on, so you don't have to rev match.
Oh, okay.
I had it enabled in all modes, so you don't have to.
Nice.
You don't have to worry about it.
A lot of firsts today. I've never driven a car. I've never driven an F80. I've never actually driven a car with rev matching. But
Give it a try. Put it in fourth.
what?
Yeah. You don't have to hit the gas. It does it for you automatically.
Let's give Tixon. What the heck?
Yeah. And if you really get on it, put some revs on it, you can actually hear the burbles.
Nice.
And we've got the radar detector on, so you don't have to worry about cops.
Like this one right here.
Again, don't be afraid to push it.
I'll go around the bend. Road straightens up a little bit up here. It just feels like it wants to go. You weren't kidding.
Oh.
I didn't even hit it all the way.
There's no traction. Now if it's wet, no traction
mine?
whatsoever.
So that's one thing. I'll race you any day in the rain.
Oh yeah, you'll kick my
Rain,
ass.
snow, ice.
Now, is there an empty lot where you can do some donuts?
In this town, not without getting arrested.
All right,
Which would make a good video.
Yeah. It's good.
Your traction's no joke, man.
No joke. I'm telling you, this weather, no traction.
We had actually our first customer at the shop here at Kies. We had an M4 and we did boot mode stage 2 with the GTS transmission flash.
Oh yeah.
And he wanted to test it out, and I was with him, and same thing. He just hit the gas and it was just like,
Yep.
we went nowhere. Now, do you have summer tires on? Or
I do. Yep. Summer tires for now.
Oh, okay.
Winter tires go on next week after I get back from the track.
Nice.
Now the question is, why isn't he pushing this car? What is going on? The revs don't even go over 3,000.
It's because it's wet. I don't want to break Tommy L Garage's M3.
It's unbreakable. Right, the famous last words.
Yeah, here's the shop here.
We're gonna make it a surprise. We're gonna film the shop, but he's got a really cool shop. Oh, look at you, coming in at an angle.
We just got done our secret build, so it's a mess in here.
The only true enthusiast-owned shop in New Jersey. Seriously, no joke. Before I do anything, should I not film anything in here that shouldn't be filmed? I mean, mess, we don't care about the mess, but there's no like secret stuff that I
no, it's covered.
that I shouldn't be filming. All right, cool.
People might ask me what that turbo's doing over there. But...
yeah, I wonder why. Jeez. So this was just probably the first drive. We're gonna have to do another proper drive in the dry. However, so what did you think? Okay.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
I really like it. Wish it was dry.
Yeah.
But
we'll have to come back when it's dry.
The traction's a little bit of an issue, but other than that, the way that it drives and everything is very responsive. Man.
No. Now I can't wait to drive his car because
Yeah.
I can actually push it in the rain with all-wheel drive.
So here's a fun fact that I don't really tell many people. I used to have a lot of Subaru WRX that were built. And the reason that I have a BMW at all is I went on a business trip to Tennessee and I rented a car for $18 a day, which was definitely not anything like this, right? It was supposed to be this little two-door nothing. Well, they said, we're out of cars. Would you be okay with a brand new BMW? So I rented an F30 328 with 5 miles on it. I drove it 800 miles in 2 days. I came home and I said, babe, I need to buy a BMW.
Yeah.
And she thought it was crazy. And then this happened. So I am so glad that the rental car company ran out of cars, gave me a BMW. But now this is happening again because now I just drove Tommy's car and it's like, not again.
There's a new one coming out. He's gonna drive the new one. He's gonna want probably that one. So, but he's got a really cool car. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. There's gonna be more collaboration videos coming soon from an awesome guy. That guy. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, do it. Kies Motorsports. I'll link it down in the description. He's got a great website. You can buy a lot of products from him. We're actually going to partner on some stuff together.
Yep.
Today we're working on a secret project that he's gonna start some service and install and whatnot that he's gonna be offering for the BMW community. So be sure to check that out. I'm gonna keep posting videos. And also support your local businesses. He's as local as they get in Jersey, although he does take people from other states. Support your local businesses.
Countries.
And countries, yeah.
We have a guy driving from Canada again next Thursday.
No way. Same guy?
Yeah.
What's his name? Let's just shout him out.
Khan.
If you're watching this, you're a trooper. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video very soon.
See ya.